What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have a Alfa Romeo Tonale GTA design by designer and digital artist Theottle, which I will post the link to his video down in the description below because this is a new render which imagines a hypothetical future version of the Tonale, and it's exactly what an Alfa Romeo Tonale GTA should look like. Now, if one was launched on the market by Alfa, well, it would be the top of the range version of the recent Alfa Romeo SUV. And obviously, it doesn't seem very likely that this Tonale would arrive, but we could only wish in the form of a rendering. Now, in fact, the launch of the Alfa Romeo Tonale Quadrifoglio already seems doubtful itself, so therefore hypothesizing a Alfa Romeo Tonale GTA seems even more difficult to imagine, especially if you consider that not even the Alfa Romeo Stelvio SUV received this type of version, so therefore why would the Tonale receive it instead of the Stelvio? Obviously, never say never, and Alfa Romeo CEO Gianfilippo Imperato himself has already said that it depends on how the model sales go, and as we know, they're actually going quite well. Now, if the request for the new Alfa Romeo SUV go beyond any wildest expectation, then the possibility of new versions of the model arriving would increase, even if in that case, the Alfa Romeo Tonale GTA would always remain a very remote hypothesis in everyone's opinion. I mean, hey, we'll take what we can get here in the USA, as the Tonale PHEV, the latest version to be released, won't make it here until May, so we still have another 5 months before we see the actual thing. Now, as you can carefully see looking at the images here, you notice the aesthetic differences between the normal version of the Tonale compared to the GTA. The front area of the SUV particularly, where you'll find a larger front fascia riddled with carbon fiber. And you can see the presence of wider tires, new side skirts that stand out, more than likely in carbon as well. In the rear, you can also see the slightly more aggressive rear diffuser with some carbon fiber and a centrally positioned exhaust system, just like the GTA-M. Now, with the most faithful fans of Alfa Romeo, they will certainly be happy to see a model of this type in the Alfa Romeo range, especially to boost up what we know of the Tonale's performance out of the 280 horsepower in the PHEV. Maybe other cars in the brand's lineup can receive a similar version, starting with the second generation Giulia and Stelvio, which will be fully electric and arriving in 2026, because it is rumored that those versions will have around 800 horsepower. So with that said, what do you guys think about the design of the Tonale GTA? Do you hope that Alfa Romeo would build something this incredible, this ballsy, this bold? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on Theottle's new Alfa Romeo Tonale GTA. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love. As always, thank you guys so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch. Keep warm with the hoodies for the season, and make sure you guys check out the social media links as well. Now, subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.